Anong lugar to, Rizky?
Dao.
Dao na. Okay.
Pampanga.
Mga kababayan, may nakita ka sa kami ditong puti na may placard siya. So, kakausapin lang ng team mga kababayan at aalamin ko ano ang nangyari sa kanya. Kami po ay galing ng Makati at papunta po kami ng Pangasinan mga kababayan. Time check, 12:15. Let's go. Saan na siya?
Nandun sa kantin, kumakain.
Ah, kumakain na. Oh. Kumakain na pala eh.
I'm hungry, I'm broken. Please help me. Transport chains.
Huh?
Hi sir, how are you? May I know what happened?
I was travel here in the Philippines. I have find a girlfriend. I have buy lodge, house, apartment, store. Then we was go different, and I have lost all. That's why the rules from the Philippines. I'm a foreigner. I cannot own lot and house. So my girlfriend have get all. I have need to trust here, but I
May I know sir, what's your name?
Andres Calder,
Andres Escalder. May I know how old are you?
64,
64. So how long have you been here in the Philippines?
10 years,
For 10 years.
for 10 years.
So your current situation right now, are you currently homeless?
Yes, I'm homeless, but I have no find a room where I can stay. And I wait my pension. In November I go 65, older citizen, and after I become my pension.
Oh, I see. So currently you
But
don't have,
for now I have a bad situation.
you have no source of income.
No, I don't
No,
have
right
income, no works.
All
Works is also forbidden for me in the Philippines. That's why my status. And
So there's actually someone that who wants to talk with you that can actually try to help you with your situation right now. Okay? So please wait there, okay? So yun nga mga kababayan, si Sir daw ay isang homeless na wala siyang source of income. Ngayon, ilalapit natin siya kay Daddy Frankie para makapag-abot ng tulong sa kanya. So wait there, okay? I will go fetch or actually talk to someone that who will help you, okay? Stay there. One moment. That's senior daw siya dito.
Oo.
Homeless din. Hindi siya homeless, meron siyang nirerentang apartment pero hindi niya masusustain kasi wala siyang source of income. From Switzerland daw siya. Andres yung pangalan niya. And 64 years old na siya.
So, natanong mo ba, anong kailangan niya, bakit nandyan siya sa ngayon?
So, ayun, namamali mo siya dito ngayon.
Na namamali mo?
As of the moment, para meron siyang pangkain araw-araw, pang-sustain sa pang-araw-araw na needs.
Kaya ko kausapin to mga kababayan? Hindi ba marunong magtagalog?
Hindi daw siya marunong Tagalog.
Sige, tulungan nyo na lang ako. Yun, mga kababayan, ito na yung kinakatakutan kong bagay, yung dumugo-dugo na naman ang ilong ni Frankie. Pero kaya yan, sa laki ng ilong, hindi pwedeng hindi kami magkaintindihan bago dumugo. Yan, at saka syempre mga kababayan, andito ang aking team, andito kaming lahat. Andito rin si Uncle Jerry. Alam ko maraming baon yan, kaya laging nasa likuran ko yan kasi pag hindi ko na kaya si Uncle Jerry. So mga kababayan, I try my best. Hi sir!
Hello?
How are you? Daddy Frankie.
okay.
What happened to you, sir?
I have lost all my money. I'm out of money.
How long you stay in the Philippines?
10 years.
10 years. So, in 10 years, 10 years time, you know how to speak Tagalog?
I can understand konti lang, but I cannot talk Tagalog.
You can talk Tagalog, but you
No.
understand.
A little.
Very
konti
good.
lang.
Oh, kumain ka na ba? Kumain ka na? Did you finish your lunch?
I have eaten before 2 burgers. That was okay, but
Not enough.
in the evening I need also to eat. That's why I search for help and some things.
Kuya Jerry, nahihirapan na ako. Pwede bang...
Yes, at your service. About this one, you say.
Kuya Jerry, harap ka dito. Ala Fernando po tong kasama mo eh. Kuya Jerry, ano lang. Smooth lang tayo. Matatakot yan eh. Parang... It's okay, sir. Sir, Canevaro. Ayan. Sir, mga kababayan, mga kabarangay, gaya po na aking sinabi habang kami ay pabiyahe papuntang Pangasinan. Ito si... Your name, sir?
Andre Stalder.
Andres?
Andre Stalder.
Okay, yun na yun mga kababayan. Nahirapan nung banggitin ang kanilang pangalan at siya po yan nadaanan namin at parang nangyari na to sa akin nakaraan mga kababayan. Meron na rin akong natulungan na nakalagay na I'm hungry. Pero ang pagkakaiba mga kababayan, yung unang nakita namin at natulungan namin is mataba. Pero ito si Sir, medyo mapayat. So, ano't ano man ang nangyayari ay hindi pa rin nadadala ang Team Daddy Frankie para sa tumulong dahil ito po ang aming layunin. Pero sa pagkakataong ito mga kababayan, papakausap natin kay Kuya Jerry, kung kakayanin ni Kuya Jerry kaya. Ayan.
I try.
Ha?
I try my best.
Okay. Why very big?
So you can read if you drive with the car, so you can read in the right time.
So, how much money you earn now?
Oh, no.
No? No.
A little coins.
Nobody give?
A little coins and the burger before what I have eat, water.
Okay. So, why you go in a Philippines before?
Even I have a girlfriend before. I was travel here, that's why the girlfriend.
Because of a girlfriend.
Yes, but the love was broken.
What happened? Where is your girlfriend now?
She is in Megawayan, Bulacan.
May kawayan Bukulangan. What's name your girlfriend?
Oh, I don't like to say.
You don't like to open?
No, that's why
No communication?
no more. But I don't like over the public to say the name. So
Ayaw niya i-open sa public. How about your family in your country?
I have long time no more contact. My 2 brothers, 20 years. My father have broken contact before 3 years. We have also called my family for help, but they say nothing. They don't like to help.
What do you want?
Also, the embassy say embassy cannot help. That's my private problem. The embassy can only help political affair.
Problem niya. Hindi siya matulungan daw kaya Jerry?
Yes. Nobody helps him.
Nobody helps also. Barangay have called the major, but no more answer. They have said they will call the major for help, but no answer. I don't know.
Kaya Jerry, tanungin mo nga po.
Some people are good, they like to help, but
Yeah.
Kaya Jerry, tanungin mo nga sa kanya, kumpleto pa yung kanyang papel, passport, etc.
About your papers, seal and
I have my papers.
Complete
Yes, I have complete.
So, bakit hindi siya makabalik?
why you
Hindi,
cannot?
sinabi na niya kanina eh.
Why you can't come back in Switzerland?
That's even the problem about money.
Okay.
Money.
Only money.
A flight to my place is over 100,000 pesos. And if I stay in Switzerland, I need also a room, I need eat, food. And this is again,
Survival.
and Switzerland is very expensive. if I like to travel back in Switzerland, I think I will need 300 or 400,000 pesos, and nobody can spend it to me.
And then if you are
And that's why my only one chance is now I search for my needs all days, and in November I can apply for my pension. And if I have my pension, then
Oh,
it's,
may pension
then it's again okay.
nag-apply daw siya ng pensyon. Pwede siya mag-apply ng pensyon.
Saan dito?
You can apply pension even here in the Philippines.
Yes, I can make it online, and if it's all okay, next year I will become monthly my money from the pension.
So how much it costs the papers to complete? How much cost?
But
How much money to fix that papers?
I don't know. For the first time, I need now to search for a bank account. Here I have also a little problem. Here in the Philippines, I can't open a bank account. That's why my status.
Sabi niya, hindi daw siya makakapagbukas ng account dahil sa status niya.
I need to search for international bank. I need.
Pero siguro naman kaya Jerry, before siya magpunta ng Pilipinas, meron siyang family doon, di ba? You
got
have a family in Switzerland, sir?
Every father and 2 brothers, but no contact.
Asawa?
Wife, you have wife,
No, no.
parents.
I'm not.
Still alive, your parents?
Yes, the father is alive, the brothers too.
But you cannot contact them?
They don't like contact. If I send an email, if I call with the phone, no answer.
No answer. They don't want to help you?
No,
Why?
I don't know.
So, what is your plan now? What you want? You want to going back in Switzerland?
Not really. I like here the Philippines.
You like in the Philippines?
I like the Philippines, and if I can't, then I like to stay here in the Philippines. But my plan, even I waiting my pension. And
Yung waiting your pension.
Kasi pagbalik daw niya sa Switzerland, ganun din.
Wala rin
Maghahanap
siyang
din siya ng trabaho. Ganap find work, ganap find food.
So ibig sabihin, yes mga kababayan, no, sa dami na rin ng aming na-encounter, hindi pa rin ako natututo mag-English, kaya yun ang problema. Hindi mga kababayan, that's a joke. Ayan mga kababayan, no, sa dami na ng aming na-encounter na mga ganito nga senary, ayan, talagang ang placard nila, I'm hungry. Pero pagka tatanungin mo sila mga kababayan kung decided or gusto ba talaga nilang bumalik sa kanilang bayang pinanggalingan, mas gusto pa rin nilang manirahan dito kahit sila po ay nagugutuman minsan, pero hindi naman totally nagugutuman dahil nakakagawa pa rin sila ng paraan na kakain-kain. Pero mas sinasabi pa rin nila mga kababayan na mas gusto pa rin nila dito kasi pagdating daw nila doon is ganun din, parang homeless din dahil kung ano ang hirap ng buhay din natin dito ay mas mahirap din doon sa kanila. Hindi ko alam mga kababayan, pero sabi nga ng iba naman na nakausap ko from other country is kung masipag ka naman is magkakaroon ka rin dahil marami rin ma-applyan na work. So mga kababayan, kung ano man ang kanilang reason at kung ano man ang kanilang dahilan ay sa kanila na po yan, at ang ating mission dito ay mga pag-abot man lang ng kaunting tulong at matulungan si Sir. So mga kababayan, parang hindi na rin to pwedeng kasi nakukontak na raw niya ang kanyang pamilya at ini-ignore siya.
Yes.
Kung ano man ang reason nila doon, hindi na natin alam at hindi rin natin alam kung anong nangyari. No? So, ano pwede natin gawin, Kuya Jerry, para makatulong tayo sa kanya? May bahay naman siya yata eh.
He got a house rental, 4,000 a month, right? 4,000 a month. He got house rental for his house.
So, wala siya talagang trabaho, ganyan lang?
You don't have work, like any work?
No, I don't have work. I'm tourist, and my visa don't allow to work here in the Philippines. And I have also a broken hand. That's also problem for works.
Broken?
Yes.
Pilay na to. You can like here.
I
Close
can't,
open.
but,
Close, open.
slowly.
Slowly.
Yes, it's no more full power.
What happened? What happened? Why? Why broke? Accident or?
No, someone have like to fight with me, get the cocoa lumber, and I have protect my hand.
Okay.
And the
Fighting.
The cocoa lumber have broken my hand.
But you need to dapat maghanap siya ng trabaho kahit yung nababagay sa kanya. No? How old are you again, sir? Sorry?
64.
64.
Older. 66.
Kaya Jerry, bakit siya iniwan ng girlfriend niya?
Naubusan ng pera.
No, tanong mo sa kanya.
Why your girlfriend left you?
I don't know. She was all times go jealous, fighting with me, and you have another girl. You like another girl.
Always fighting.
I always fighting, and
Nag-aaway.
I don't like all days fighting. I watch TV. She come home and then fighting with me. Girl, you have others girlfriend. You have others. That's not good. And even the love was already broken, and we was go different.
Lagi nangihingi ng mga pambili-bili, kung ano-ano pang hinihingi
Yung girlfriend lagi nangingi ng
ng mga appliances.
appliances.
Yan ang pinag-aawayan nila. Wala siyang maibigay. The girlfriend always quarreling, fighting because maybe she said he can give money. Right? I'm right.
I don't know. Today I think she have planned it after finish construction house and all. She have like I have to go like a scam. She
Always asking to build a house.
yes.
Scam. Ini-scam daw siya. Scam.
Laging ganun ang nangyayari, ano?
That's my problem. I have trust and I have lost all.
Come again.
I have trust. I have trust, love, and I have after lost all. That's my problem. I have trust.
Nagtiwala daw siya,
Oh.
tsaka nagmahal siya.
He understand you.
Yeah, I understand, sir, but a little bit. So, that's why I'm really sorry. I can speak English properly. Yeah, but I understand sometime. Okay. I don't know how to start. How can I help? Kasi, gusto ko naman sana siyang kung makakapagtrabaho sana, pwede natin siyang dalhin sa Maynila kung anong pwedeng gawin. Pero may bahay naman siya eh.
Yes. My team, Daddy Frankie, thinking that what kind of help
We give you.
he can give you, just like giving you work or something.
Yes, but works you can't give me. If you like to give me a works, that's illegal. That's forbidden.
Ano daw?
Come again?
The Philippines don't allow me to work here in the Philippines.
He's not allowed.
It's
Hindi siya pwede.
it's illegal
No.
if I work.
You can work in my company.
No, that's illegal.
No.
That's illegal.
No, it's okay.
Okay, we are Filipino.
We are a Filipino.
We
Yeah.
will not tell.
Kasi hindi makakasurvive kung yun ang reason lagi na not allowed. Kasi pwede naman magtrabaho sa mga maliliit na company. In a small company, no? You can work in a small company. That's why you can provide your daily needs.
I will see.
Okay. You want to come with my team, company? I have a shelter in
Yeah.
Makati. By the way, I'm so sorry. let me introduce you myself. I'm Daddy Frankie. I'm a charity vlogger. At the same time, I have a shelter in Makati.
Yes, but I cannot only go Makati. I have some things here. I have the room, my friends.
Scared to go to Makati kasi he's vulnerable, he's foreigner. Natatakot siya kasi makahulihin siya pag nagtrabaho. Baka daw hindi siya payagan magtrabaho ng gobyerno natin.
Hindi. Titira lang siya doon sa shelter. Kasi ganun nga eh. Kailangan niya ng ganito. I'm hungry. I'm broken. Please help. What is this? Chains?
Transport chains.
Ha?
Barya-barya lang. Barya-barya.
Transport chains.
Nasa kahit barya.
So ganun lang ang gusto niya.
Yes.
Ayaw niyang, kasi kung ang pagbabago talaga ang kailangan mga kababayan, no? Kasi ang gusto kong mangyari, kung talagang homeless siya, pero sinabi naman niya hindi siya homeless, may bahay siya, pero napoprovide pa niya yung 4,000
Aman.
aman?
Yes.
Provide pa?
Yes. You can provide that? 4,000 naman?
For your room?
Monthly?
Yes.
Daddy Frankie is offering a house for a shelter for like you. Free food, all.
Yes, that will be nice, but
I am the one who manages
yes,
that
but no, I need to say no. I have here some friends, and I like to stay here already.
Mas gusto niya rito.
Mas gusto niya dito.
Familiar na sa
Gusto niya talaga yung manghingi-hingi lang.
Yes.
Okay. Ayan. So yun. At saka ang pinaka-problema din, yung sinasabi niya na hindi na siya pinapansin ng kanyang family. So yun. Mga kababayan, at least inalam natin kung ano talaga ang problema at kung ano ang pwedeng itulong kay Sir. Inalok na rin natin siya ng shelter pero ayaw niyang umalis dito. Nagtatanong din tayo kung anong pwedeng trabahong ibigay. So, yun na yung pananaw niya mga kababayan, respect lang natin. So, magbibigay lang tayo ng kaunting tulong pinansyal mga kababayan na sana po ay makatulong din kay Sir. Wait lang, Sir. For a moment, Sir. So, Sir, chance for change. Okay, Sir. For a while, Sir. Sir. 2,000.
Thank you very much.
Sir?
Thank you very much.
Okay. You're very,
God bless you.
you're very welcome, sir. What you gonna do to 2,000?
What I can do, I can save it for pay my rent or some others needs. If I need to wash my clothes and
Okay, sir.
shampoo.
Shampoo. Yan. God bless you more, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, you too. Thank you.
Ayan mga kababayan, mga kabarangay, so wala kami nga ibang maitulong yun na pagbigyan na natin si sir ng kaunting tulong pinansyal. Sana makita niya na or makontak niya or matulungan siya ng kanyang pamilya at sana makabalik siya sa kanyang sariling bayan para hindi na siya gala-gala dito. Kung tignan naman natin mga kababayan, nakakaawa naman talaga kasi pag nakakita tayo ng mga ganito is sila yung mga mayayaman kumbaga, pero hindi maganda ang kanyang naging kapalaran at same na naman po ng nangyari doon sa una nating natulungan na niloko daw siya ng kababayan natin, niloko daw siya ng Pilipina, parang ganon. Pero mga kababayan, sa mga ganito minsan is hindi lahat ng pagkakataon ay naniniwala rin si Daddy Frankie sa ngayon. Dahil marami na po, halos same lang po ang kanilang reason. Pero kung tatanungin mo ron mga kababayan, ayaw din nila, hindi rin sila nagpupursige na bumalik sa kanilang bayan. Bagamat hindi natin alam mga katotohanan mga kababayan, hindi natin nalalaman ang panig ng bawat isa. Kaya yun mga kababayan, ang tungkulin lang natin is makatulong, makapag-abot ng pansamantala kahit sa maliit na kaparaanan, mahalaga na katulong tayo. Kuya Jerry, paalam ka na kay sir?
Okay, so this time, this is not goodbye. If you need some help and we can see
Oh.
you again,
At tanungin mo saan siya nag-i-stay lagi, baka sakali mabalikan natin siya.
what place did you stay?
I stay all this place in
Sorry.
in the front from the eatery.
In front of Italy.
Yes, you have seen me before
Yeah.
over there. I stay all times there.
Baka gusto niyang manawagan sa kanyang mga kaibigan para matulungan siya.
You want to broadcast to other relatives,
So your friend,
your friend in this interview. You wanna reach some of your friends or relatives, any people who can help you.
We will see.
You can-
If you will find some help for me, we will see.
sir, excuse me, you have some message to your friend or relatives?
Yeah.
That's my camera, and then I will upload in my YouTube channel. It's okay to you?
Yes, that's
Okay, thank you so much. So, what is your message to your friend, family?
Your country.
I hope some from my friends or my family thinks little older, so they also like to help me in the future. And I thank my friends what they have do in the last time for me.
And speaking in your own language.
Can you speak your own language, sir?
Swiss.
Ich weiß gar nicht, was ich sagen soll in meiner Sprache, aber es ist Dankeschön für alles, was ihr für mich getan habt. Ich hoffe, ich werde weitere Freunde finden, die mir helfen können.
Okay. So, that's it mga kababayan. Bagamat hindi ko naiintindihan lahat, kayo na pong bahala at maraming salamat po sa pamamagitan ng ating video ito. Sana po ay mas makatulong pa kay sir. Kaya mga kababayan, sa mga makakapanood ng video ito, mangyari lang po maglalambing ang inyong lingkod. Pakishare po atin ang video para sa ganon ay makatulong tayo sa ating mga kababayan. So once again mga kababayan, Team Daddy Frankie po at ang inyong lingkod po, anak ng Pangasinan. From Pangasinan po, mabuhay po tayong lahat and God bless. Ayan. Thank you so much po. Sir, thank you.
Thank you.